Hey lovelies! Did you know you have been editing product shots wrong this whole time? Today, I'll show you a 3-step method to make them look premium and cinematic in just 5 minutes. I'm going to show you exactly how the easiest way. If you think this is cool, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's dive in. First, I opened my product image in Photoshop. I immediately copied my layer by pressing. Then, I selected the brush tool and softly painted a shadow directly under the bottle. This gives the product weight and makes it feel grounded in the scene. Next, I copied my layer again and switched to the History Brush tool to bring in a subtle natural light effect at the top left corner. This instantly created a warm, premium vibe, as if sunlight was gently hitting the product. Finally, I created another new layer and applied a Gaussian blur. Followed by the path blur method to create a soft, directional shadow on the right side. I adjusted the stroke direction and speed to match the refining it until it felt natural and that's it. 3 quick steps to take your image from ordinary. If this inspired you or helped you learn something, hit like, share it with your creative, and subscribe for more motion design magic every. This is Rise on Motion, where we give brands motion magic.